guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at how to equip startup movies here on Steam. Now, if you're new here or if you found the video helpful, please give us a like and a comment down below, as it really helps out the channel with the algorithm. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. Now, you will need to make sure you are in this mode here, which is obviously called Big Picture Mode. If you're not familiar, you can find any options in the top of your screen, and that is this is what you'll be navigating to. Once you are here, you'll then want to go down to Settings. Oh, click that too quick. Click Menu at the bottom left, and then click Settings. Once you are in Settings, you'll then want to go down to Customization, and from here you can select your movie. So for example, I have these ones. I can buy more the Point Shop, but they are not currently downloaded. So what I need to do is click the one I'd like, and it will then download. And from here I can click this, and that's all I need to do. I hope that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.